The Zildjian family started making cymbals in 1623 in Turkey. Since the company's moved to Boston in 1927, it has become the oldest family-owned business in the United States. The entire cymbal-making process takes place in a factory in Norwell, Massachusetts. Zildjian is one of the only companies to get the metal for their secret alloy from an on-site foundry. The cymbals are heated to soften the metal so that the cymbals can be rolled and made thinner to begin the process of giving the cymbal its sound. The disc is then carried by a robot to press a cup shape into the center of the cymbals. The cymbals then sit on racks waiting to be cut into their desired size. The scraps are saved and remelted into new cymbals. The cymbals are then reheated and dropped into a cold water bath to temper them. They are then hammered, shaping the metal and changing the cymbal's sound. Then the cymbals are lathed, further shaping the metal and perfecting the sound. The finished cymbals are then sprayed with a protective coating. The cymbals are then sent to a testing room where an experienced employee checks their sound. Once they are tested for quality, the cymbals are trademarked. The perfection of the craft at Zildjian is simply beautiful.
I use Zildjian cymbals because they are very durable and they sound very nice.
The Zildjian Company is influential in music and manufacturing. They have made Massachusetts the home of an almost 400-year-old business. Zildjian has made music that it is today.